episode 81 of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, I will share with you the Pinbar trade strategy. We will take a look at how to identify this trade setup under live market conditions, where to enter the trade, where to place the stop loss, and most importantly, where to exit the trade with a profit. So let's head on over to the charts now.
We're looking at a Pinbar trade setup. This is $CAD daily chart. A Pinbar is formed with a small body and a long wick towards the bottom. And usually this means rejection of the price. This means that the buyers have stepped into the market and a price has failed to move lower. Once you see the Pinbar form, this is a bullish Pinbar, which means we are expecting the price to go higher. Once you see the Pinbar form, you enter the trade at the close of the Pinbar, and we stay with the trade till we get some reason to get out of it, which means there may be rejection at the top, or price gets stopped by a resistance level, or we see a reversal pattern in the opposite direction. So in this case, what we see is a resistance level that is getting reached here. We see that the price has stayed here for 2 days here, and then we see a long wick to the upside. So in this case, as you can see, the candle body looks very neutral because we have long wick on the upside here, and the body of the candle is the same size, approximately the same size as the wick. So that means that the candle is very, very neutral. It does not show that the buyers are in charge yet. And after this point, price could move either way. So in this case, it's better to exit the trade with a profit than wait for the price to show us its hand or pull back. So in this case, we exit the trade here once this candle closes, and from entry to exit, we have 187 pips in the trade. So just to recap here, this is what the Pinbar looks like. We have a bullish candle, small bullish body, long wick in the bottom, and once the Pinbar is formed, we enter the trade long. The stop loss goes below here, just making sure that we give it some room to breathe, because price could come back lower and retest that level or this one, which is very close here again. So as a result of that, we keep our stop a little further away than we normally would, and we enter the trade long here. Our trade continues on till we see some sort of a price reversal. In this case, a very neutral candle here. We exit the trade. From entry to exit there, we have 187 pips in the trade, which means $1,870 in profit if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this trade setup. If you like this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe below. It was a pleasure sharing this trade setup with you. I will see you next time with another great trade setup.